a Bollywood quiz under the stars, karaoke rounds featuring off-key classics, glow-in-the-dark capture the flag, and the unforgettable moment someone tried to moonwalk and face-planted in grass. Don't worry, they're fine and famous now. The music shifts to a cinematic orchestral tone as we revisit some emotional beats, a surprise birthday celebration on a mountaintop, a handwritten letter exchange, and a moment of silence for someone's beloved pet, honored with a lantern release into the sky. The visuals shimmer into a sunrise time-lapse from the last day of April, marking both an ending and a new beginning. More scenes roll in, ziplining over scenic valleys, kids dancing at the Bollywood Storytime event, couples sharing quiet moments over food, friends inventing inside jokes on road trips, someone trying paragliding for the first time and screaming half in terror, half in pure joy. We include behind-the-scenes laughs too, wardrobe malfunctions, bloopers, missed cues during planned shoots, and a GoPro falling off a tree and recording ants for 30 minutes. The edit now begins to accelerate, syncing each beat with the most epic shots, sunset silhouettes, group cheers, drone sweeps, water splashes, selfie fails, twirling dupattas, muddy feet, sky-high jumps, hugs, and endless laughter. The screen splits into a 3x3 grid showing parallel moments, 9 people, 9 adventures, 9 smiles, and then merges into one shot, the whole group running toward the camera with a "Bring on May" banner flapping in the wind. The final few seconds are reserved for thank yous. Text appears over a quiet acoustic guitar strum. To every explorer, every storyteller, every laugh, every leap, April was all of you. Then bloopers run as credits roll. Someone falling off a beanbag, someone trying to dance and slipping on wet grass, someone yelling, "Cut!" mid-sneeze. The final screen flashes, #AprilAdventureMontage, with a cheeky call to action, tag your squad. Replay your favorite moment. And get ready, because May is already wild.